Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So XRP is trying to retrace into that level of resistance right now, isn't it? One thing we're looking for on XRP is a beautiful golden cross on the 20 and the 55 daily EMA right there towards the apex of that compression pattern, which is an ascending triangle, which I spoke about many weeks ago right now when everyone's getting super bearish. I said to you that's a potential pattern that will begin to play out. And clearly what we've got at the moment is we're creating a big, massive ascending triangle. The DSY could be on the cusp of creating a descending triangle. So obviously the inverse correlation is there where we've got the support, resistance, and right now if we do start to break down for the DSY, we've got a big monster reversal pattern, which is a descending triangle looking to get to the technical target of the bearish rising channel just there, okay? And then equally the opposite of that, we've got an ascending triangle for XRP carving out. So again, at the moment, I have to say that because we've broken down here this rising channel and we've backtested this resistance, at the moment it looks as though the DXY is poised for this technical target. It's not bullshit, it's not hopium. You know, this is something we look at just there. We've got the rising channel, broke down, got the descending channel just there, the descending triangle, we broke down, come up, confirm resistance, and the big drop, okay? And it's at this point, you know, this technical target being met, this is where XRP absolutely flourished, okay? And the same here, you're coming up rising channel, you break down, confirm resistance, and, you know, you come back down to where you formed the channel. So this leg here was really bullish for XRP, as well as the big macro move here, the big macro rising channel here, the big bearish broadening ascending wedge, sorry. When we broke down last year towards the end of September, early October, we start to break down, make a series of lower highs in the descending triangle just there as well. We start to break down, we came all the way back down to the technical target. This is one of the confluencing factors why this year I did think we would see a big move for XRP because of the breakdown in the DXY, okay? So it's really simple. So at the minute, you know, on the daily, we've got a descending triangle potentially playing out right now for the DXY, and we've got an ascending triangle playing out for XRP. So it's not bullshit, it's not hopium, it's simple technical analysis. So, you know, at the moment, it looks as though we are in a technical target to that yellow line, 103, 1086 for the DXY. You know, the invalidation of that right now is if you start to bust a move, you start to creep up and you take out that high, then obviously we have to reevaluate. But at the moment, it is kind of playing out, isn't it? So let's dive into the XRP chart right now and see what we can see. So taking a look at Twitter quickly before I jump into the XRP chart, you can see that some of the CoinsKid crew are absolutely smashing this market right now. You know, the XRP long all the way from down there, and the fear a few weeks ago when I said to you it's an opportunity on that ascending trend line. This person's up 740%. Beautiful. Bit of high leverage there though, to be honest with you. I wouldn't advise 75x. What we've got here in Link as well, we're doing really well on Link, you know, from the fear and blood a few weeks ago. Equally another person on Link just there. So we're doing really well. You know, the CoinsKid crew are really smashing this market, and I'm glad that you are, okay? So it's amazing. Going against the crowd, the 5-wave counter, things like that are always opportunities. So let's dive into the XRP chart right now. Looking at XRP on the daily time frame, at the moment we're getting the inverse of this ascending triangle on the DXY, aren't we? We're getting this sort of price compression coming up the stairs for XRP, you know, and on the DXY we're getting sort of price compression coming down the stairs. So if the DXY breaks down, this in theory should break up really as simple as an inverse correlation. So we'll keep an eye on this. Like I said to you, when everyone was getting really bearish a few weeks ago in September, all we was doing is retracing to fill that wick. Got some beautiful bids down there on the 702 fib, and then boom, we rode it back up into this resistance. Again, on the same retracement as we're coming down here, I said to you, the 702 fib is always a nominal retracement level, beautiful little sweet spot, and then boom, you know, we're starting to come back up into the same resistance. And like I said to you, these ascending triangles, they do usually break down on the third point of resistance or support, you know, so we're looking for the breakout because obviously you're compressing this a bullish continuation pattern to the upside, seen them so many times. We've traded loads of these all year, to be honest with you. We traded a little micro one down there, we traded this monster one just there, you know. Like I said to you, when we do start to break out, everyone's like, oh, no, you're wrong, it's going to the moon and things like that. But I said to you, you always buy back the support, and this is exactly what we did. For example, just there, you know, you've got this big ascending triangle here, coiled up compression. When this was breaking out, everyone was like, going to the moon. I said to you, you know, I'm looking at a pullback into the neckline because this is what you do. You break out, fall back to the neckline support for continuation. So there's no different to this ascending triangle right now. If we get the breakout, this is my target, 06460, and I expect XRP to pull back into the neckline where we'll load up again and take some, you know, bids and long positions at that point with my stop loss on the swing low and ride it back up, you know. So what I'm looking at is a potential scenario that XRP has had this 35-day ABC correction, and right now you've gone from left to right in this ascending triangle. So at the moment I'm looking for this pattern to confirm by getting a daily close above the key level of resistance where you're failing to close above for XRP, 05391. I think if you close above that, it's increasing probability that you're going to meet the technical target 06460 before a big crash back down to the neckline, again offering only opportunity with your stop loss on the previous swing low to ride it back up and take out the local high, okay? So if we take out that local high, as you're fully aware, I think we're looking at 431. It could come relatively quickly. Now the support for this scenario is moving up over time. So from left to right, we're moving up the stairs, aren't we? Getting compressed. Just like if you look back here, these ascending triangles, you're moving up the stairs, you're moving up the stairs, your ascending level of support is moving up the stairs. So in each fib retracement here, we've landed and we've come back to 702 fib, which has always been, the minimal support for XRP. Look at that 702 like a boss on that retracement, back down to create this neckline, and then again on this swing from this high, this level of resistance all the way back down, 702 like an absolute boss. I'm going to almost swear there, I do apologise. And right now we're attacking the same level of resistance. Now we're not completely out the woods yet. This is why I said to you, please be patient, wait for a close above 05391. But right now I'm moving my stops up. It was previously on this low, and right now it's on this low. So obviously if we break down here, we're negating the ascending triangle. Really is that simple, okay? So what I'm looking for to get really bullish on XRP in the short term is a close above 05391. Take out these candles here. You get your highest close since the breakdown here, and then I think we're looking at that minimal target where I will take profit on my longs at that point, and I will buy back on the retest of this neckline. Really simple, because it's exactly what we keep doing when we're breaking out on these ascending triangles. We keep falling back to the necklines. But if you clearly look from left to right here, it's not rocket science. From left to right, if you take a look, you can clearly see from this low here is a high, is a low, is another high, is a low, is another high, is a low. So you're making a series of higher highs and higher lows here for XRP. You've not lost any market structure here of a beautiful uptrend or potential bull market which has began here for XRP. Okay, so at the moment, until we start to break down below this 35-day ABC, I'm remaining cautiously bullish for a breakout, fallback support, and then continuation for the remainder of the year here for XRP. Okay, so you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, but right now you could build some positions on Bybit or BitGet. I know there's a problem for the UK users in for Bybit at the moment, so that's why if you are in the UK, use BitGet. Right now you could be building some positions, but again, always use a stop loss. Don't be a degen. Right now, if we get this compression from these EMAs creeping us up into this resistance, in theory we should be breaking on the third point of contact, and we should be looking at that minimal target. So this is a beautiful long opportunity in front of you for XRP, okay, when others are really fearful, and we've just been buying the pullbacks like an absolute boss and making money along the way. This is why the CoinsKid crew is nailing this market. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on XRP. Thank you for your support. Bye bye.